Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Are you tired of breaking the bank on gaming laptops that promise the world but can't deliver? Well, buckle up because I've got some fantastic news for you. Today we're going to dive into one of the most incredible deals in the gaming laptop market right now, the ASUS ROG Strix SCAR. First off, let's talk about the display. This isn't your grandma's monitor. We're talking 18 inches of Mini LED WQXGA goodness with a whopping 240Hz refresh rate. That means this laptop can handle even the most demanding games at silky smooth speeds, perfect for those high frame rate battles in Fortnite or The Witcher 3. But what does that really mean to you? It means you'll be able to play without any lag or ghosting, which is basically just gaming speak for smooth visuals. And don't even get me started on the graphics card. You've probably heard of NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti. It's like having a super-powered graphics card in your laptop. In plain English, that means this laptop can handle all the fancy graphics effects that make games look so real and immersive. Want to see what I mean? Watch out for those sweet shadows and reflections when you're playing with ray tracing turned up. Now, let's talk about performance. Inside this laptop is a 15th Gen Ultra 9 processor, which sounds like a mouthful, but trust me, it delivers. With speeds of up to 5.4 GHz and 24 cores, this processor can handle anything you throw at it, from video editing to gaming. And the extra 8 performance cores? That just means this laptop can process multiple tasks at once with ease, so you can have your cake, or in this case, your games, and eat it too. But what really sets this laptop apart is its memory and storage. We're talking 64 GB of DDR5 RAM. That's like having a personal assistant for your computer. With all that extra juice, you'll be able to run multiple applications at once without any hiccups. And the 8TB PCIe NVMe SSD? That's essentially having your own personal cloud storage right in your laptop. And then there's the battery life, but I know what you're thinking, battery life is boring. Not on this laptop, my friend. The 4-cell 90-watt battery may not seem like much, but trust me when I say that this laptop can go all day long with ease. Whether you're streaming for hours or working away without a break, this laptop's got you covered. But wait, there's more. This laptop also comes equipped with some amazing features that'll make your friends jealous. We've got per Key RGB KB standard keyboard. What does that mean? It means you can customize the backlighting of each key to match your gaming style or outfit if you're feeling fancy. And let me tell you, it's a total game changer. And then there's the docking station. This thing is like having a dedicated computer for work and play. With USB-C DV4K 100W Universal Docking Station 6X3S6U3, you'll be able to connect all your peripherals without any hassle. Want to watch a movie on your laptop? No problem. Just plug in your external monitor and enjoy. So what does it all add up to? In short, an incredible gaming laptop that checks every box on your wish list. It's like having the best of both worlds, performance, portability, and style all wrapped into one sleek package. If you're ready to take your gaming, or work, to the next level without breaking the bank, I've got some amazing news for you. Check out the link below for the best price on this incredible laptop. Trust me when I say it's worth every penny.